So in the pursuit of Chrome Delete, I will install this black grill instead of this chrome one, and these we offer on our website. And what you have to think of when you order these are that if you have night vision, if you have 360 camera, or if you have Distronic, because all these three things varies on the grills. So make sure you have all this info before you order it. So now let's start the install. So the first thing we do is take out these bolts. There's 4 of them. Then we will actually bend out the grill, and then you have tabs inside here that release it. So now we have the tabs down here. Let's see if I can get it in camera. There you have the little tab. You have to push down. There we go. And then it just comes loose. And now of course you have to take out the cables. Go. As he says that, it's the camera motor cable and the video cable for the camera. And here you can see the Distronic assembly, and here you can see the cutout for the night vision camera. So now we just have to move all these things to the new grill. So this one just sits with a clamp, which will go here of course, and this one have just 4 screws, one there, there and there. And then the motor has its own screws under here. And that of course goes here. So now everything is loose, the whole unit. So now we just move it to the new one. And since I already had this one out, I decided to give it a good clean. Always feels good to put back clean things. So now, since this is a AMG car, you of course want the AMG emblem in the grill as well. And on the new grill, actually these 2 points are marked out, so you know exactly where you should drill the holes for it. And when you buy this one that we also supply on our site, you get the rivets with the package. So just drill these out. And the holes are drilled and the rivets are put in. And this is how the night vision camera sits. And that means of course it don't fit the cutout here, it needs to be lower. So the solution to this is actually to buy a new bracket. What you need is the bracket from the S65 or S600 that have these 3-bar grill as standard. So just change these out. The front cover is the same, it's just the rear that places it a bit lower. And so here we are, taking the old one out. Putting it in the new one. cable, and then we actually have a little washer. Now don't forget the cables. Now we'll check the fitment. It needs to go in a lot, as you can see. And the chrome delete is done. And that's it for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like. And don't miss out on the Instagram account where you get some previews. And until the next one, see you.